This is a demonstration video on the GX graphical management software. LCND will send a USB flash drive or a CD that contains this software. Simply insert the disk into your computer and open the corresponding drive. First, copy the LCD database folder to the computer's C drive. Make sure all of the folders are copied into that C drive. Disable the firewall if necessary. Once copied, we are now ready to install the Unity GX Vector software. Double-click on the installer, click Next, and then click Next again. Check the Create a Desktop icon so we can easily see the software once installed, and then click Next, and then Install. Leave the Launch Unity GX Vector box checked and click Finish. The software will initialize and show the floor plan with control points. Check to see if all of the pages are present. Normally one page would show up in one tab. For further reference, an installation guide is also available in the disk that LCND provided. A manual is also available for written instructions on how to use the software. I am now going to show the basic uses of your computer mouse when using this software. It is highly recommended to use a scroll mouse when using the Unity GX Vector software. This is the normal mode. This is used for zooming into a specific area as shown. By clicking the right mouse button, it will give you the pan mode. When in pan mode, clicking the left button and dragging will pan the floor plan. In the same mode, using the scroll wheel will let you zoom in and out. The zoom function is virtually limitless. This is to control pick mode. When connected to the lighting control system, this will let you control the relays assigned to the control box. This is the control select mode. It will let you edit the control box. When the control box is selected and right-clicking on the control box, you will have an option to duplicate, move, and delete. By right-clicking on the white surface or when nothing is selected, it will give you an option to pan and zoom. On the menu bar of the software, you will find File, Connection, and Action/Options, which is a connection menu that will only show when demo mode is unchecked. Other menus are Layers, Schedules. Schedules is a menu that will enable you to read and write schedules in the digital time clock or the DTC as shown. Global Colors is a menu that will give you an option to change colors of the control boxes. The standard colors are yellow for on, gray, which indicates off, salmon for idle or not connected, and orange for out of sync, meaning that some relays may be on and some relays may be off. Password is also available. You may have two different types of passwords. One is for the user and the other is for the programmer. The About menu will show you the current version of your software. When connecting to the hardware, we need to first make sure that the demo mode is unchecked. It can be found under the Actions and Options menu. Click Connection, then change the settings. There are 6 available ways to connect to your lighting system. The most common methods are Ethernet to backbone bus, if you have an uplink and a server card, and Ethernet to link to PC, if you have a link to PC card. Choose the appropriate option. Enter the IP address of the meta server or link to PC and enter the remote port number 10001. Checking the Reconnect at Startup option will enable you to automatically connect to your lighting system each time you run the software. Click Save Settings and then Connect, and you are now ready to use the Unity GX Vector.